Hey everybody, the next thing I'm going to bring you is my modded Xbox with the DuoX2 processor, 320GB hard drive. I'm running a Slayer desktop on here, allows me to store all my games that I own to my hard drive, which keeps the disk from getting messed up. It also plays my backup movies a lot better and does a lot nicer. Essentially, all you do is simply hit the power button. I will show everybody a nice little device that I found on the internet that allows you to connect USB to one of your ports, which I have 256 megabytes on this flash disk, which does really nice when you want to store stuff. Okay, as you see, I have the Slayer desktop here. You have your options of playing games or media straight from the DVD drive, playing games that you saved onto the hard drive, which you'll see I have plenty of games that I've just saved to. Actually, it allowed me to store my games instead of just having them using up shelf space, since I can play them from the hard drive now. Okay, game trainers and cheats. Let's say you want to add some cheats or something like that into there. Essentially go in here, enable your cheats, and you got your cheats. Alright, emulators. As you'll see here, I've got all my emulators installed on here, so I don't have to keep my Nintendo, my 64, and my Genesis and all that stuff out. I can store it up and keep it preserved and nice. Alright, next thing, if you want to change your default dashboard, you have the option for that. System Manager, essentially go into the MS dashboard, which is the Microsoft or the Xbox original dashboard, to change most of your settings. You can change your skin. There's dozens of skins to choose from, but I like the skin that I have. You can also reboot the Xbox and power off the Xbox, so it's very simple to do. Applications that I have installed on here. It's the DVD to Xbox media loader, which allows you to install your games. You can install your games to the F drive games or to the G drive games, to whichever one you want to do. Plenty of settings, plenty of changes in here. Alright, and the last application, well actually there's the region-free DVD player that allows you to play DVDs from any region. And the last one, which is one of my most favorite features on here, is the Xbox Media Center. Alright, what this allows you to do is you can either run programs straight from your Xbox. Remember, this actually turns your Xbox into a computing system. You have My Pictures, to where you can load your pictures either from your partitions, from your memory cards, from your pictures stored on here, or from your Samba or Microsoft network. It actually allows you to network to your computers. As you see here, now I'm connected to one of my computers, and I can get anything off the here that I want. So, and the one last thing is the My Videos. You can play My Videos from my computer. You can do My Music from my computers. Since I have my music stored on my network server, I can get it off of there. You also have the option of having some weather in some different areas. Of course, where I have relatives, I have 3 programmed in here, so I can see how the weather is in all the places. Of course, you got to wait till Thursday for rain. We need rain in Georgia. Alright. And the last thing of what it does is, of course, remember when you're in here, when you shut it down, dashboard or restart, do restart or shut down. If you do dashboard, this actually takes you back to the MS dashboard, which is not where we want to be. Now just remember that when you connect to Xbox Live, make sure that you go to the MS dashboard before you connect, because otherwise they'll ban you. Because, well, this is considered cheating. And the last thing that I'll do is start up a game for you to let everybody see that everything works good. And let's try Area 51. Alright. I hope you all have a good day.